Aurora is a general term that describes the natural light displays occurring in the polar regions of both the northern and southern hemispheres. There are two main types of auroras: Aurora Borealis, commonly called the northern lights, which appears in the northern hemisphere; Aurora Australis, often called the southern lights, which appears in the southern hemisphere. The term aurora applies to both, so it encompasses the entire phenomenon of light displays around the magnetic poles. Northern lights is the common name for the Aurora Borealis, which is visible in the northern hemisphere. This display is most frequently seen in high-latitude regions like Scandinavia, Canada, and Alaska. The term specifically refers to auroras in the north, not those occurring in the southern hemisphere. Auroras are caused by interactions between charged particles from the Sun and the Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. What causes aurora? Solar wind and charged particles. The Sun constantly releases a stream of charged particles, called the solar wind, which consists of electrons, protons, and other particles. During solar storms or coronal mass ejections, large bursts of charged particles are sent into space, increasing the chance of auroras. Earth's magnetic field. When these charged particles reach Earth, they are guided by the Earth's magnetic field toward the polar regions. Earth's magnetic field channels these particles toward the north and south poles, where they enter the upper atmosphere. Collision with atmosphere. As the charged particles collide with gases in the Earth's atmosphere, mainly oxygen and nitrogen, they transfer energy to these gas atoms, exciting them. When the excited atoms return to their normal state, they release energy in the form of light. This is what we see as an aurora. The color of an aurora depends on the type of gas and altitude. Green, the most common color, is caused by oxygen atoms at around 60 miles, 96 kilometers, altitude. Red auroras, which are rarer, occur from oxygen at higher altitudes, above 150 miles or 240 kilometers. Blue and purple hues are produced by nitrogen molecules. Aurora is the scientific term for the phenomenon in both hemispheres, while northern lights specifically refers to auroras visible in the northern hemisphere.